There's a Honda dealership right off of the exit here. And he's going to make his way. Is he going to make his way? He's going to try, and he might be hitting that truck there, but he's going to go climb the shoulder there, go climb the gore point into the opposite lanes of traffic and head northbound. That is certainly some good news here. I see one hand. It's hard to know what he's doing. Our monitors are kind of going a little bit tighter here, Rich. A little bit, just a little bit. Okay, down on the ground here, and they can see his hands here. His hands are going behind his back, and at that point, once the CHP feels that they...
San Bernardino PD, and you see the pit, and right there, just shoving her way back now the wrong way on the 210, making the U-turn here at Cerritos. We're just to the east of the 605 freeway. This pursuit has been at like... And so we're just going to hold here at the 405 until that jet makes that turn. And looks like Jet's on his way in. Going to hit a car. He's just bumping a car. Now this guy, just bumps a car. Oh, okay, it just jammed him in there. I'll get him now, buddy, get him. And anyway, so man, now he's going to U-turn here and get off at go back up wrong way.
There's making a move right now. Here it comes. It looks like they're going to try to pin him on the freeway. And there it is. Rear bumper out. Nice little spin right there up against the curb. Now, this doesn't mean it's over. We've seen this in the past to see if those California Highway Patrol try to block him in. But that car definitely facing the wrong way right now. Maybe that engine is off. We don't know. But right now, that's the most action we've seen in a while. Don't see those reverse lights on. The car just kind of rolling. Seems like the brake lights are on. They are there. They're poised. They want to bring this thing to an end. Stolen vehicle. That's what this was all about earlier on. Don't know if he's going to try to... They've got an airship up above. Darn. Okay. Throwing something out. Hey, PD, we think this is a straight stolen here. Okay. Yeah, have a look at this LAPD pursuit of what is believed to be a stolen vehicle here. This black Scion TC with yellow paper plates making their way through West Hills in the West Valley here. And now he's in the mall, southbound through the parking lot here. We just picked this up a couple of minutes ago. Sky 5 HD, of course, first overhead with this breaking news of an LAPD pursuit. Now, the confusion here, or perhaps some speculation, is that this vehicle may have been used in a pursuit a couple of weeks back. No confirmation as of yet, but I can tell you that they have been pursuing this person for the better part of about 10 to 15 minutes at this point. He stops, coming out of the driver's door, and now on foot. LAPD units are very close behind here, very close behind, and they will be able to get a hold of this guy and tackle him and take him to the ground here. Look at that. My goodness. Only one occupant in this vehicle here, and they have taken this guy down very aggressively. We are just outside of the mall here in the west side here. Now we are going to be, I'll give you...
you were running with the kid? Yeah, you are sorry. Jesus, man.
Clear past the 14. You can do it safely. Clear, Michigan, David John Noah, 1246. Coming up over Pleasant Road. Clear, Pleasant Road. Looks like 5 county and state units, and they're approaching the 11 at this time. Out of the city. Central, do we know if the subject's armed by chance? We do not yet. Vehicle affected. Vehicle affected. Clear. He's regaining control. Stand by. In the guardrail. Clear in the guardrail.